Hello student, welcome back. In today we will discuss about a missing number. We had already discussed in previous videos about missing number, and I think the almost 70 to 80 questions we had discussed, right? And we will get different types of logic tricks, and we keep practice more questions, right student? And thank you for appreciate to my work and joining with us, and thank you for your comments. And if you have any problem, any doubt regarding missing number or any questions, so please put in your views in comment sections box. Definitely I will resolve. So we will start today's lecture, student. So this is the first question, student. Find the missing number from the alternatives given below. And this questions is belongs to a math puzzle, right? So because we had already seen at previous videos, right? So firstly we will find out which logic use here. First we will find out, then we will move on the questions mark, right? सबसे पहले यहाँ पे कौन सा लॉजिक यूज किया गया है उससे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, देन हम क्वेश्चंस मार्क्स को सॉल्व करेंगे, राइट? सो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे देखिए देयर आर 3 कॉलम्स, राइट? दैट इज फर्स्ट, दैट इज सेकेंड, दैट इज थर्ड. देयर आर 3 कॉलम्स, राइट? सो यहाँ पे कौन सा लॉजिक यूज किया गया है? दैट इज सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. दैट 8 and 4. So 8 and 4, that is 8 fours. So 8 fours, that is 32, student, right? Then 32 minus, that is the first row, that is 1. So 32 minus 1 is equal to 31, and 31 place here, that is the last row. Similar, 5 into 7, so 5 into 7, that is 35. Okay, so 35 minus first row number, that is 2. So 35 minus 2 is equal to 33, and 33 is the last row. So similar, 8 6, that is the 48, right? And 48 minus first row number, that is 3. So 48 minus 3, that is 45. So 45 place here, so that's why option D is the correct answer. I hope that you understand this problem, right? So we move ahead on next questions. So second example, and this example also belongs to maths puzzle. So first we have to find out which logic used here, then we move on questions marks, right? So there are 3 columns and there are 4 rows, right? So which logic is used here? So that is second row and the third row, right? So first, that is first 18 as it is. So 18 as it is, second number, that is 12, divide by 3. Then so 18 as it is, 12 divided by 3, that is 4, and is equal to 18 4 is 72, and 72 here, that is the last row. So similar, column number third, that is 32, multiplications with second number divide by third number, right? So 32 as it is, 4 4 is 16. So 32 into 4, that is 128, and 128, look at here, that is the last row. So similar concept is used, that is column number 2. So 24 multiplications with 14 divide by which number, don't know, so that's why we will take, that is x is equal to 112, right? So 24 multiplications with 14 divided by x is equal to 112. So x as it is, so 24 multiplications with 14 here 112. So 7 2s are 14, and 56 2s are 112, 7 1s are 7 8s are, and 8 3s are 24. So x is equal to 3. So option B is the correct answer. So यहाँ पे 3 आना चाहिए, right? So option B is the correct. So I hope that you get understood the proper logic. right? So we will move on next example. So example number third, and find out the missing number. So this problems belongs to a circle puzzle. We had already discussed in previous videos. So let's move on the questions, right? So there are two numbers, that is outside two numbers. Which two numbers? That is 35 and 5. 35 and 5. So which logic? So first 35 plus 5 is equal to 40, and 40 into 5, that is 200. नहीं समझे? So I will write here, right? So 35 plus 5, that is 40, and which is smallest number? That is 5. So multiple with 5. 5 4s are 20 and 0 as it is. So similar couple of those two numbers, that is 52 plus 4. So 52 plus 4, that is equal to 56, right? And which is smallest number? That is 4. So multiple with 4. 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 5 4s are 20, that is 224, right? Then next number would be, oh student, यहाँ पे question marks, right? So that's why we will take those two numbers. So 27 plus 3 is equal to 30, and which is smallest number? That is 3. So 30 into 3 is equal to 90. So look at here, 90, 200 to 24. So similar concept is used is here. So right, so 18 plus these two numbers, 18 plus 6, that is 24, right? And which is smallest number? That is 6. So simple calculation, 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2, that is 4. So 144. So that's why option C is the correct answer. I hope that आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. दो नंबर लेना, यानी हम यहाँ पे दो नंबर लेंगे, फिर इन दो नंबर का जो भी आउटपुट आएगा उसे स्मॉल नंबर से मल्टीप्लिकेशंस करेंगे और हमें अपना आंसर मिल जाएगा. आई होप दैट यू वुड बी. So example number 4, oh again circle puzzle, and we'll look here. So we easily find out the logic, and we easily solve this question. So I think this is your homework part student. बहुत easy है, आप आसानी से कर लोगे, मुझे 100% आपके ऊपर भरोसा है. बहुत ही easy questions है, ठीक है. So this is your homework part. So we will move on next questions. So example number 7, and this is the new type of problem, and in this type of problem, so we often use multiplications left side and right side, and top side and bottom side. Then we will add or subtractions, and whatever we will get answer, those answers put in this center box. हम यहाँ पे अक्सर क्या करते हैं, लेफ्ट साइड का राइट साइड का मल्टीप्लिकेशंस, टॉप साइड का बॉटम साइड का मल्टीप्लिकेशंस, और इन दोनों के बाद प्लस या माइनस करके जो भी आंसर आता है उसे हम सेंटर बॉक्स में लिखते हैं. सो ये होता है इसका कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट. लेकिन बट यहाँ पे कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट यूज किया गया है उसे डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, राइट. सो यहाँ पे इन्होंने क्या किया है, सो 5 into 7, that is 35, right, and 13 into 6, that is 78. So I write here 5 7s are plus 13 into 6, so that is 35 plus 13 6 are 78, and we will get that is 113. तो आई होप आपको ये समझ में आया होगा कि यहाँ पे कौन से ट्रिक या कौन सा लॉजिक यूज किया गया है. सो सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट विच कैन बी यूज in second diagram, right. So 4 into 8, then 18 into 1, then we will add. So 4 8s are 32, 18 1s are 18, and when that is 50, and look at here, that is the center number, right. So such concept used in this type of problem, right. So similar concept we apply in the third questions, right. So 9 into 5, just one second. So 9 into 5, that is 45, plus 14 into 8, that is 112, 45 plus 112, that is 7, 11 plus 4, that is 15. So 157 ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। आई होप दैट आपको यह समझ में आया होगा। इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीवन स्टूडेंट? If you have any problem, any doubt, any queries related in this videos, so please write in comment sections box students. Definitely I will resolve. Right, so we move on next example. So example number. So first we have to find out which logic is used here, then we move on the questions mark. Right, so जैसा कि such as हमने देखा है previous problem में, यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड, राइट साइड, टॉप साइड, बॉटम साइड पे ही ऑपरेशंस किया जाता है। कभी कभी समटाइम्स लेफ्ट साइड का टॉप साइड पे, टॉप साइड का राइट साइड पे, बॉटम साइड का लेफ्ट साइड पे, आइदर बॉटम साइड का राइट साइड पे, इस तरीके से यहाँ पे इसका यूज किया जाता है। लेकिन बट यहाँ पे कौन सा लॉजिक यूज किया गया है उसे डिस्कस करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है, जो ये दो नंबर्स है, ये दो नंबर्स का हमने लिया है, वी विल टेक that is the difference, we will take as a difference, right? So first we will take difference, that is the 10, that is 3. Okay, then next step would be, that is the, we will take square of those two numbers. So here 100, here 9, then we will add, that is 109, and 109, look at here, that is the center. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या कह सकते हैं, what could we say that student? First we deduct, then square of individual numbers, then we will add, right? So similar concept यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे। So 12 minus 5, again इन दोनों को माइनस करेंगे, 15 minus 8, so 12 minus 5, that is 7, 15 minus 8, that is 7, right? So square of 7, then we will add. So 49 plus 49, so 998, 448, and again 98, and 98, look at here, that is a center number, right? So similar concept we can use here, right? So 23 minus 19, that is 4, 18 minus 15, so 23 minus 19, that is the 4, 18 minus 15, that is the 3, square of 4, square of 3, here 16, here 9, and here 25, right? So here right answer is the 25, but when we look at the options, we does not found in any option, so that's why option E, none of this. So none of this is the correct answer, because the we will get or 25 is the correct answer, but we can't found in option 4, that's why we choose none of this, that is the correct answer, right student? So please put in your options, that is none of this, right? So we will move on next example. So example number 8, and this problem also belongs to maths puzzle, right? सो यहाँ पे कौन सा लॉजिक यूज किया गया है, सबसे पहले उसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं, और देन वी मूव ऑन द क्वेश्चन मार्क्स, राइट? सो 3 6 12 6, तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने क्या किया, दैट इज रो 1, रो 2, रो 3. सो फर्स्ट वी मल्टीपल विथ 3 numbers, with 3 numbers, so that is first conditions, that is 3 multiple 6 into 12, right? So 6 3s are 18, and 18 12s are, so 12 8s are 96, carry 9, so 12 1s are 12, and 12 9, that is 216, right? So 216, and look at here 6, look at here 6, can we derive from those numbers to those numbers? क्या हम इससे डिराइव कर सकते हैं कि 216 से 6 कब आएगा? Just think on student, 216 to 6, when we take cube root of 216, then we will get 6, right student? समझ में आया? When we take cube root of 216, then we will get 6, and this 6 number placed is here, right? So similar concept would be is checked in another example, right? So suppose second, that is 2 multiple 20 multiple, that is 25, right? So 22 that is 14 and 40 into 25, 25 fours are 100 and 0 as it is, and look at here, that is equal to 10. So can we say that when we cube root of those multiple numbers, then we will get, that is the last row number, that is the 10. क्या मैं ऐसा कह सकता हूँ? सबसे पहले हम तीन नंबर्स का मल्टीपल करेंगे और फिर उसका क्यूब रूट लेंगे, तब हमें यहाँ पे लास्ट नंबर मिलेगा. सो सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट मैं थर्ड में भी यूज कर लेता हूँ, राइट? सो सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट वी यूज इन द थर्ड कॉलम. So multiple with three numbers 2, 4 and 64. So 2, 4 that is the 8 and 64 as it is. So can we write 64, that is the 8 into 8, right? And when we cube root of those three numbers, that is the 8 into 8 into 8, then we will get easily answer, that is 8. So that's why we choose option B, that is the correct answer, right? बहुत ही इजी प्रॉब्लम था, बस यहाँ पे नया कॉन्सेप्ट. सो वी विल मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. So example number 9, and this is the new type of problems, and first we have to find out which logic is here, which is used here, then we move on the questions marks, right? So first we find out, right? So there are three numbers who are placed out of triangle, and one number placed that is the in at the center, right? So which logic? So यहाँ पे कौन सा लॉजिक यूज किया गया होगा? So first we multiply those three numbers who are placed out of the triangle. So which three numbers? That is 5. So 5 into 6 into 4. So 5 6 are 30, and 30 into 4, that is the 120. So here 120, and look at here, that is the 12. So 12 कैसे आया होगा स्टूडेंट? जरा सोचो 12 कैसे आया होगा? When we divide, that is 10, then we will get 12. हाँ या ना? यदि मैं if I divide by 10 those three numbers, then we will get, that is the center number, right? So similar concept is similar concept which can use in second example. So 6 into 7 into 5, 7 5, that is 35, multiple with 6, right? So 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 6 3s are 18, and here that is the 210. Again we divide by 10, then we will get, that is 21, right? Look at here, that is 21. So similar, so 8 into 4 into 10, and we divide by 10. So 8 into 4, that is the 32. So option C is the correct answer, right? So option C is the correct answer. I hope that you understood very well. So example number 11, and this is your homework part. So this is the new type of questions, but at least you could try to solve these questions, and whatever you will get answer, please write in comment sections box. Right students, in the next video we will discuss such type of questions who had asked in previous exams. Right students, so I think we stop here, and we will meet on the next videos with new enthusiasm, with new topic. Till then, take care student, and thank you for appreciate to my work and also joining with us. And whatever you want, any video, any topic, so please write in comment sections box. Definitely I will make for yours, right student? So thank you, bye bye.